Welcome traders, my name is RP Forex and I'm one of the many traders at Forex Lens that runs the daily live sessions as well as provides trade ideas. I focus on price action, but every single day we have 5 sessions. 3 from me, an Institute trader, 1 from our supply and demand trader in Spanish, and another from our French trader, David. So what you're looking at here is the Forex Lens Discord, and this is a part of our Forex trading room. Our Forex trading room provides 5 sessions a day to help you learn how to trade, as well as a vast educational library, and we provide trade ideas every single day. So not only can you learn how to trade, but you'll also be able to profit. So we're at the welcome section where you can get up-to-date news. And if you're any one of these traders, either a beginner, non-profitable, break-even, or even profitable trader, we believe the Forex trading room will help you. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of our Discord just to show what you can get. First off, we have the community chat where you can share news. You can have a bit of fun as well. Talk about how your weekend went, whether you're doing a barbecue. We're pretty relaxed in this channel. But once you get to the Pro Trader Lounge, this is where things get much more fun, and this is where the value is. We have the share your feedback section where members can share their profits that they're making. We love to see it, and it's a great sight to see that members are actually getting value out of the service. A lot of members are actually paying off their subscription in their first day, if not on their first week, depending on the balance. But it's nice to see members write down reviews and send us feedback. We always like to improve. Going on to the traders chat, this is where traders can share fundamental analysis, their opinions on pair, even chart work. It's a nice way to stay connected and up to date on the latest analysis from your peers. Then we have the crypto chat where members who focus on crypto or are just interested in crypto can share their analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as altcoins. So here you can see different analysis done by the members and just articles keeping up to date with the latest altcoins that are coming out. Then we have the Equities Chat, which is for members that trade stocks. We have a guy named Op-Ed that does a great job, great analysis, and he provides daily updates, if not from him, but definitely from our members about certain stocks. So we basically cover Forex, crypto, and equities in our Discord. That way everyone has something they can get from our servers. Moving on to Institute Trader, this is one of our premier traders. He focuses on a type of trading called smart money, which is the tracking of the orders made by the major institutions like the central banks. It's a very advanced strategy, but he's very knowledgeable and he knows how to teach it and make it simple for you to learn. So when you go to his channel, you will see that every single trade idea is easy to follow. You have the currency pair, the price, the stop loss and take profit level. He recently sent out an idea for Bitcoin, which was absolutely fabulous. Let's take a look at that idea. Thousands of pips was covered, a nice solid entry here, and we're moments away from reaching his final take profit. Taking this one single trade would have paid off your fee, regardless of whether you joined on the monthly basis or the quarterly or even the yearly, depending on your balance. So this is the type of setup you'll get, but also explained during the live session for why the trader is taking the trade. And then we also have a chat room for each trader, so members can discuss strategies, ask questions to the trader itself, just to get more clarification. This is kind of like almost having a mentor on speed dial, or just getting help when you need it. You will get help from either the trader itself, in this case Institute Trader, or some of your peers. Moving on, we have price action, which is what I do. My name is RP Forex, and this is what I run, the RP trade setups. So again, the signals are very easy to follow. The currency pair, the entry, stop loss, and take profit. And we also provide chart work as well. So here was a nice major trade we did for oil. Very, very nice price action. And there was a lot of profit made on just this one trade. So even taking this one trade would have made back your fee and then some. Going on to supply and demand, which is also a type of smart money trading. Very similar analysis as well. Easy to follow signals, and chart work is always provided so you know what you're taking and why. Going on, we have chat rooms for each trader as well. Again, this is where you can ask questions and get certain updates about trade ideas. And then we have more trade ideas from some solid providers for Forex as well as gold. We also have some extras down here with YouTube and motivation. Every now and then you might need a pick-me-up, and we do have that channel as well. So this is just one of the things you will get when you become a Forex Trading View member. The other is our portal. So let's go to our portal, and this is what you will see when you log in. The first thing you will see is this chart from TradingView, which you can actually change the symbol, and you can actually even draw on the chart and analyze. This is a free feature that we're giving that's available to free and paid members, and you can even open up multiple charts, which is usually a paid feature on TradingView, but we're giving it to members for free. Right? So as the live session is going on, you have the full flexibility of actually drawing on the charts and following along. The next thing you will see is the fundamental schedule, or actually the prices of the major Forex pairs, the major cryptos, as well as the indices. This is just to keep you up to date with the latest action in the markets. And then you will have the trade ideas. So this is the latest trades that are sent by our traders, as well as the status. So if you're ever watching the session itself, you can always take a peek to make sure you're in the correct trades, or if you're supposed to be out of them. Then we have the recent video section, just to keep you up to date on the latest releases from our traders, as well as a fully functioning fundamental schedule, which you can check and change the date by clicking here. Right? You can choose the country, and then you can figure out which currency you want to follow, and that way you're up to date on the fundamental aspect of things. Now, on a day-to-day basis, most likely you'll be going to the live sessions tab, where you'll have price action, smart money, and past live sessions. So for the price action session, it happens once a day at 11 a.m., and you have the option of asking a question if you do have one during the session. Smart money happens twice a day, one at 4 a.m. Eastern, and then one again at 9 a.m. during the New York time. So again, you can always ask a question to the trader, and they'll be able to answer it live, helping you out in real time. Now, in case you miss some of these sessions, that is not a big deal. We have the past live sessions section right here, where you can always go back and watch the previous sessions. Moving on, we have the trade ideas section, and again, this is for price action, smart money, and supply and demand. And we make this very easy to follow, so you're always in the loop. Again, you have the currency, whether it's a buy or a market order, the stop loss and take profit levels. If you take a look at this idea, for example, and you just click on it, you'll see the chart work, which you can download, as well as the ability to copy the entry, take profit, and stop loss levels. And you also have this beautiful timeline to let you know about the updates. So this would be the first update, the second, and then the final third one. And this happens for both the smart money as well as the supply and demand sections. Moving on, we have the Pip Count section, where you can get a latest update on how well we're doing. We started off 2021 with almost 34,000 pips. That is a beautiful sight to see, and we expect to continue this tear that we're on. Here's how 2020 went. A nice straight slope. Continuous growth is what we like to see, and it's pretty good. You know, most members are actually getting value from the trade ideas as well as the sessions. Our goal is ultimately to teach you how to trade, so you don't ever have to use signals or trade ideas from another provider ever again. Then we have the daily videos section. So let's say you can't watch the live session or the recorded version over here. That's not a big deal. We make it even simpler for you by having these daily videos. Now, each daily video is a breakdown of the price action and the smart money in about 2 to 5 minutes. Each video is typically not longer than 5 minutes, and we go over the major setups and major action in the markets. So in 5 minutes time, you can get your price action analysis. In another 5 minutes, you can get your smart money analysis, and you'd be up to date with the market. So we have it for people that have a lot of time on their hands, or for people that are really busy. We have all options covered in the Forex Trading Group. Go into the education section, which we have a lot of content for. We go through the beginnings from getting started, beginners, smart money, and then we have market structure with very key videos that aren't publicly available, such as market profile, such as identifying the weekly market structure, as well as using the daily time frame for maximum reward. The Essential series is something that we're really proud of. We have things like the breaker setup, targeting highs and lows, stop runs and liquidity pools, determining biases on a Monday, areas of accumulation and distribution, how to trade on Mondays, the difference between swing trading and day trading, as well as things like high probability areas for setups. So these are all content that are special and not too available out in the public world. This is something that we offer to our members because we know it's very valuable and very important if you're especially going to learn how to trade the way the banks do. We also have the psychology series, which focuses on mastering your emotion, risk management, and patience, as well as trading based on your personality, which is something that a lot of people do not know. You have to trade based on who the type of person you are. Then we also have trade examples where we actually apply all of this knowledge onto certain pairs, so you can see how to use it and see real life examples. For example, Euro NZD Fibonacci, or you have CAD and seasonality. This way you can start to see the actual knowledge being applied onto the charts. Then we have the price action section, which sort of teaches you candlestick analysis and how to read a naked chart. Moving on, we also have the frequently asked questions section. So if you're a new trader and you're wondering what is NFP, what is FOMO, you can just click on the question right here and it'll answer it for you. And this covers about 50 different questions that you may have as a beginner or even an advanced trader. For example, what is directional bias? There's your answer. The other great thing about this Forex trading room is that we do offer some key free features. Not only do we offer 4 TradingView charts, but we also offer the position size calculator. That way you never blow account again, right? It's very simple. You enter the account currency, the balance, how much you're risking per trade, how big is the stop loss for your trade idea, as well as what pair you're trading. That includes crypto, and it will calculate a position size so you're not over risking on your trades. Now, this is all included, all of this under our Forex trading room. So the sign up, it's very simple. You go to the link in the bio to our website, and if you click pricing, you'll be taken to our Forex trading room packages. We have the Pro Trader Apprentice, which is the monthly package, the Pro Trader Committed, which is the 3-month or quarterly package, and the Pro Trader Elite, which is a 12-month or yearly package. You'll be getting all these features for a relatively cheap price. $147 a month is less than $3 a day, and based on the trade ideas and overall content you're getting, that's a good steal. We usually have promotions and special offers for our packages. If you're interested in them, just feel free to message one of the admins on the Discord, and we'll be happy to help you out. So we're very proud of the Forex Trading Room. We believe it's the best way to learn and earn at the same time, and we let members learn at their own pace. That's why much of our content is recorded, so you can always look back to it. So hopefully I see you in there. Thanks for watching, and take care.